Okay, I'm going to go ahead and launch the free calculator on your My Open Math site. Right here where it says Working Online Graphing Calculator. Download it, click on it, and then click on Menu to clear it. And we want to go to the Run menu. Right here, that's where we are. So hit the blue Execute key, and we're in the Run menu. Now before I do any fractions, I'm going to click Shift Menu to get into the setup of the calculator. And I'm going to click the math area right here so that all the fractions and exponents look in their proper format. Now just hit execute to get out of that. And now to type in fractions, and I'll go ahead and do a couple problems here like these. So to do these problems, you have to hit the fraction key first. So like to do this one, I hit the fraction key and notice it's in the proper format, and I type in 7, arrow down to the 8, now arrow to the right so you can be out of the denominator, and say plus, then hit the fraction key and type in your 2, arrow down, 3, hit execute, and there's your answer as a improper fraction. And to get the mixed number, you hit shift fraction key and you'll get it as a mixed number. And then if you hit the fraction key again, it takes you to a decimal, back to the improper fraction, and you can just go back and forth between improper fraction and mixed number by hitting the shift fraction to decimal key. Now to do these, this is what I really want to show you with this video, to do these mixed number operations, you have to get that format up. And to get that format, that's right above the fraction key. And to get that stuff that's right above the fraction key in yellow, you have to hit the shift button first. So I'm going to go ahead and do this problem right here. So I hit shift, the fraction key, type in the whole number part, and that whole number part of that problem is 1. So I do that, then arrow over so I can type in the numerator, which is 5, arrow down to type in the 12, then arrow over, and this wants us to divide, so hit the divide, then get that format back up. Now get that format of a mixed number up, and that's shift the fraction key. Shift fraction key. Type in your 3, arrow over, the 3, arrow down, the 4. Now we have 3 3/4 typed in, and when you hit execute, you get your answer of 17/45. If you want that as a decimal, just hit the F to D button, and that's it as a decimal. Hit it again, and it's back to a fraction, and that's a proper fraction, so we can't write it as a mixed number because the numerator is not bigger than the denominator. But there's everything with dealing with fractions.